In response to recent reports, the Chief Minister's office has issued a statement denying claims about a government proposal to extend reservation benefits to Muslims in civil contract work. This clarification comes after a regional newspaper published a report suggesting that the government was considering reservations for Muslims in civil contracts, similar to those currently available to scheduled tribes, scheduled castes, and other backward classes. The report sparked considerable public and media interest, with questions arising about whether the government was indeed moving forward with a new reservation policy for the Muslim community. According to the newspaper, this potential reservation would align with existing benefits offered to other marginalized groups in government contracted civil works. In response, the Chief Minister's office quickly refuted the claims. In a statement, they clarified some media outlets have reported that there is a proposal before the government to provide reservations for Muslims in civil contracts. While it is true that there has been a demand for such a reservation, it is clarified that there is currently no proposal on this matter before the government. This statement aimed to quell the misinformation and address any misunderstanding among the public and stakeholders. The clarification highlights that although a request for reservations has been made, no concrete steps or proposals have been submitted to the government regarding this issue. The government's statement emphasizes the need for accurate information, urging media outlets to verify facts before publishing. As discussions around reservations continue to evolve, the administration has reinforced that any official developments will be communicated through proper channels. The CM's office hopes this clarification will prevent the spread of further misinformation and provide clarity on the government's current stance on reservation policies within civil contract work.
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾವೇನು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಮನೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಕಚೇರಿಯಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಂತೆ. ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿ ಬಂತು, ಆ ಥರ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ CM ಆಫೀಸಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಥರ ಏನು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಕಚೇರಿಯಿಂದ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗಲೇ ಯಾರೋ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ನನ್ನ ಆ ಥರ ನನ್ನ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.